Our next candle, her sister, Miss Grace Sanidad.
Happy birthday. Okay, sabihin pa. Happy birthday.
Iyakan yan, ha? Umiyak na? Ako.
Enjoy mo lang ako.
Uy, naku,
Enjoy mo lang ako.
birthday yan, ha? Birthday.
Ang birthday.
Kasi ano, nasa Burtos kasi ang kapatid ko.
One more. Thank you.
And of course, for our last candle, one of her daughter, the OFW daughter. Let's give a big hand of applause to Miss Mary Joy Jacinto.
Kasi nag-prepare na ako, baka maiyak ako.
Ay, hindi handa.